Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshoppingguy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best portable power cables. From camping adventures to impromptu work sessions at your favorite cafe, portable power cables are the key to untethered productivity and limitless possibilities. So let's ignite the spark of adventure and never run out of power again with these best portable power cables on the market. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshoppingguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth portable power cable in our list is the Southwire Supreme Extension Cord, which trustedshoppingguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This bad boy is not your average cord, it's a style statement, a tech marvel, and a powerhouse all rolled into one. First things first, let's talk about aesthetics. The Supreme Extension Cord comes in a sleek matte blue and white finish, giving it that futuristic vibe that screams cool. It's a perfect match for your minimalistic room decor, and trust me, your friends will be in awe when they see it. No more dull, boring cords cluttering up your space. It's packed with mind-blowing features. With a whopping length of 25 feet, you can now reach outlets that were once a distant dream. No more dragging your devices around or doing acrobatics to charge your phone while watching TikTok in bed. Safety-wise, Southwire has your back. This one is UL listed, so you can rest easy knowing it meets the highest industry standards. Plus, it's equipped with a heavy-duty strain relief that prevents those pesky accidents and keeps your devices powered up without interruption. Imagine this, you're hosting a lit gaming session with your squad and suddenly your console dies. Not on the Supreme Extension Cord's watch. It boasts a high-capacity wire that ensures a consistent and reliable flow of power, so you can game on without fear of losing that clutch victory. Oh, and did we mention it's super affordable? For the piece of a trendy hoodie, you get a cord that's both functional and fashionable. It's the ultimate power accessory for the modern age. Take note, though, that the extension cord features a single outlet, which means you can only connect one device at a time. This limitation might be a disadvantage if you frequently need to power multiple devices simultaneously. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for small-scale usage, as it can be a valuable addition to your setup. The fourth portable power cable in our list is the Yellow Jacket Contractor Extension Cord, which trustedshoppingguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Get your hands on this bad boy, and you'll be the envy of your friends when it comes to getting things done. Let's talk about durability. The Yellow Jacket Contractor Extension Cord is built tough, just like us. It's designed to withstand the rigors of any job site, from rewiring your gaming setup to building that sick skateboard ramp in your backyard. This cord is no pushover. It's made to withstand the wear and tear of our ambitious projects. With a length of 50 feet, it gives you the freedom to roam. No more limits on where you can take your power tools. You can build, create, and fix wherever your imagination takes you. It's like having a sure power in your hands. Safety is always a top priority, and this cord has got your back. This extension cord is UL listed, meaning it meets the highest safety standards. So whether you're rocking that power drill or setting up a sick DJ booth for a party, you can trust that you're in good hands with the Yellow Jacket Contractor Extension Cord. Just a heads up, this cord will leave a yellow stain in your hands when you handle it, but best believe it'll be washed off easily. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for those who are on a tight budget, since it's the cheapest option on the list. The third portable power cable in our list is the US Wire Weather Extension Cord, which trustedshoppingguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. This cord is not just about powering up your devices, it's about keeping you connected and charged, rain or shine. It is built to tackle the elements just like we do. Rain, snow, or mud, nothing can stop us from pursuing our outdoor passions. The US Wire Weather Extension Cord is designed to withstand it all, ensuring uninterrupted power for our outdoor adventures. So whether you're camping, hiking, or hosting an epic beach bonfire, this cord is up for the challenge. With a length of 50 feet, you'll have the freedom to go wherever the adventure takes you. No more limitations on where you can set up your outdoor gear or charge your devices. From setting up a sick outdoor movie night to powering up your portable speakers for an impromptu dance party, this cord has your back. Safety first. This bad boy is equipped with heavy-duty strain relief and reinforced blades, giving you the ultimate combo of durability and protection. There's no need to worry about flimsy cords or weak connections. This cord is built to last and keep you safe, even when you're out there conquering the great outdoors. So go ahead, plug in with your confidence, and focus on enjoying your adventures, knowing that this cord has your back. Now, due to its weather-resistant design, it may be slightly heavier and less flexible compared to regular indoor cords. This factor can affect its portability, especially if you need to transport it frequently or use it in tight spaces. The trusted shopping guide team recommends this for people with a big budget, considering that it's the most expensive option on the list. The second portable power cable on their list is the Clear Power Heavy Duty Extension Cord, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This 50-foot extension cord is a game changer for the style-conscious innovator. It combines a futuristic design with reliable power delivery and safety features. Let's dive in a little bit further. The Clear Power CP191 extension cord is constructed with TPE rubber, a supercharged material that thrives in extreme temperatures ranging from a chilling -58 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 221 degrees Fahrenheit. It's like having a power source that's resistant to all the elements Mother Nature throws your way. This cord's toughness extends beyond temperature resilience. Made with TPE rubber, it possesses superior resistance to oil, moisture, ozone, and abrasion. Whether you're working in a garage, on a construction site, or in a workshop, this cord can endure rough handling, wear, and even the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. What's more, it has a built-in power indicator light right in the connector. Say goodbye to the guessing game. This cord lets you know when there's power flowing through it, ensuring you're always connected and ready to conquer your projects. No more accidental disconnects. The locking connector ensures a secure and stable connection to power tools and appliances. You can work with peace of mind, knowing that your equipment will stay powered up without any unexpected interruptions. It's important to note, though, that a few users have complained about this cord being a bit stiff in the cold. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for outdoor enthusiasts because its weather-resistant design ensures that you can power up your devices and equipment even in challenging conditions. The best portable power cable in their list is the Iron Forge Outdoor Lighted Extension Cord, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Let's talk about the style first because, let's be real, we love to make a statement. The Forged Outdoor Lighted Extension Cord features built-in LED lights that add a mesmerizing glow to your outdoor setup. But this cord is more than just a pretty face. It's built to withstand the elements. It is designed for outdoor use so you can take it with you on all your epic adventures. It's weather-resistant, so rain or shine will have reliable power to keep your devices charged and your space illuminated. No more fumbling around in the dark to find the right socket. Its built-in power indicator light lets you know when it's powered up and ready to go. It's like a beacon guiding your way to endless possibilities. In terms of safety, this extension cord features heavy-duty construction and durable materials. It can withstand rough handling, outdoor elements, and the wear and tear of active lifestyles. You can focus on creating unforgettable memories without worrying about the cord's performance. Best of all, the Forge Outdoor Lighted Extension Cord comes in a variety of lengths, so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Whether you're setting up a dreamy outdoor movie night or powering up your speakers for an epic dance party, this cord will go the distance. Keep in mind, though, that the built-in LED lights are not adjustable or customizable. The color and intensity of the lights are typically preset and cannot be altered to suit personal preferences. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for freelancers who have to work everywhere. It's reliable and durable, which you can use whether you're inside your house or camping outdoors. And there you have it, folks, our best portable power cables, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next portable power cable roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.